students, I am your Rajni ma'am and let's continue with the chapter acid, base and salt. Already we have seen what are acids. Now let's go with the general properties of acids. So the acids are sour in taste. So if organic acid you will taste like citric acid, then you can raw fruits if you will taste, so you will taste it as a sour. So acids are sour in taste. Acids are highly corrosive, हाथ जल जाएगा. So acids are highly corrosive. Then acids can be present in the liquid and solid state. So in the solid state we know that boric acid H3BO3, boric acid is a solid acid. Then H3PO4, phosphoric acid. These two are in the solid state. Rest of the acids are in liquid state. Then acids can be volatile or non-volatile. So volatile means if you will leave it in the open place, so it will evaporate. So except your phosphoric acid and sulfuric acid, rest of the acids are volatile. If you will leave it, it will evaporate. Okay. Then the aqueous solution of acids can conduct electricity. So for this, the activity is given in your book. That in the activity, if you will take the beaker and if you will take the acid in it, so connect it with the bulb. So suppose one bulb you will place it. So when the acid will be there, so it will conduct the electricity and the bulb will blow. Okay, it will glow. But if you will take in place of this, if you will take a glucose, so it will not conduct. The reason is this, because the acid in the aqueous solution dissociates into its ion, and you know that ion can carry the electricity, and that's why the acid can conduct the electricity. So this is the general properties of acid. So next topic is the chemical property of acid. Okay, so the first property in the chemical properties of acid is it can convert blue litmus to red. So acid will convert blue litmus. In the school laboratory you will do this experiment. So testing the acid on base with the litmus solution or the litmus paper. So with the blue litmus the acid convert it into red. याद रखने का ट्रिक है कि एसिड इज कोरोसिव, आपको पता है डेंजरस होता है और डेंजरस चीज़ हमेशा रेड में होती है, तो एसिड हमेशा हर चीज़ रेड में कन्वर्ट कर देगा. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज विद दिस. ओके. देन acid will react with metal. So metal plus acid, it will give salt plus hydrogen gas. Suppose take the example of zinc. When react with HCl, it will give zinc chloride and hydrogen gas will be liberated. So acid plus metal plus acid will give salt and hydrogen gas. Okay. Then the next property, metal carbonate plus acid will give salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So let's take the example. Suppose take the example of sodium carbonate react with acid. Suppose take this acid HCl. So what it will form? It will form NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay. So let's balance it. 2 sodium, then carbonate is 1 carbon, then 2 hydrogen. So 2 hydrogen. Okay. So 2 hydrogen, then 2 chlorine, then 3 oxygen. Here 3 oxygen, reaction is balanced. So metal carbonate plus acid will give salt and carbon dioxide and water. Next property is metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid will give salt plus CO2 plus water. Let's take the example of sodium hydrogen carbonate react with HCl. It will give NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. See, the reaction is balanced. Reaction is already balanced. Okay. Then what is the next property? The next property, acid plus base, already I have studied. This one will give salt and water. So NaOH plus HCl will give NaCl plus water. Then next property, metal oxide plus acid. It will give salt plus water. So metal oxide and acid will give salt plus water. So let's take the example of CuO plus HCl will give, it will be give CuCl2 plus H2O. Let's balance that. So this is 2, this, okay, so the reaction is balanced. So these were the properties, chemical properties of acids. So students, we will meet in the next video. Till then, study, work hard, and put your whole energy in this, because you know that this is very important. Class 10th is very important. So work hard. All the best. Thank you.